What's the fastest way to get a deal in 2023? I get asked this question all the time in the comment section, in my DMs on Instagram. Everyone wants to know what's the fastest way to get to a deal. First off, I just have to mention, if you're looking for the fastest way to do stuff, it's like you've already kind of lost, to be honest with you. Realistically, like as a grown up, you should be looking for the more challenging, the more fulfilling path, not necessarily the fastest way. Value is linked to difficulty. So if you're purposely looking for something that's quick, fast, easy, it's probably not going to be very valuable. So I just want to throw that out there, okay? I'm still going to give y'all the sauce, but keep in mind that, realistically, you should be playing the long game, not just thinking about it as how can I get $5,000 quick and just do this on the side. And, oh, yeah, this stuff is so easy. That's cap. Stop the cap, as the kids say, or whatever. Where's my little stop the cap button at? It takes a lot of work, y'all. Don't let people on YouTube or on other social media platforms fool you into believing that you're just going to have overnight success and all of a sudden you're going to be a baller and it's going to be easy, okay? But either way, if you want the fastest way to get deals, here it is right here. It's networking and linking up with other wholesalers. It always has been, y'all. It's realistically, someone already has a deal under contract, either that or you already have a deal under contract, and then you're just linking up with the person that has the buyer, or you're the wholesaler that's linking up with the person that has the actual deal. Y'all bring those together like butt cheeks and actually get out here and get paid. Basically, that is by far the most beneficial and, I would say, effective way to get out here and get deals. If you were trying to move quickly, I would recommend this. Let's talk from the dispo side of things. So let's say, for instance, maybe you were a really good salesman. Maybe you've been in insurance or car sales or something around those lines. If so, you're going to be wanting to talk to the buyers, okay? Because you're selling them something. If you're a good salesman, I highly, highly, highly recommend that you get out here on dispo. You're going to want to reach out to buyers in advance, talk to the market, find out what these buyers want. Maybe you get like a consensus that most people want, at least 2 beds, at least 2 baths, 1,000 square feet. It's got to be in these areas. It's got to be these purchase prices. This is how much money I want to make on the back end, so on and so forth. You kind of have like a template now for what to go out there and sniper target. Okay, so once you've got like your product list, basically, okay, this is what my customers will actually buy. Now you could just get out there into sources like Facebook groups, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, even reaching out to random homeowners on places like affordablehousing.com or apartments.com and things of that nature. There's so many places where you can come up on this inventory. Right now, once you know what your buyers are looking for, now you could just get out there and just sniper everything. You just sniper in everything, and you can reach directly out to other wholesalers like, hey, I see you have this property in so and so area. I think I may have a buyer for it. Would you consider doing a JV? Boom, simple as that, guys. Super simple. You don't really have to overthink this stuff. On the opposite end, though, if you're like a really good a buyer, if you're like a really good conversationalist, so you have good conversations with these sellers, you're talking to grannies all day and stuff like that, having great conversations and getting properties under contract, maybe you're not the best sales guy. Like, you don't want to have to be like that heavy breathing, come on, go ahead and buy this house, go ahead. You just want to get people to sell you stuff. You don't necessarily want to be that salesman type guy. If that's the case, then you want to be getting the properties under contract and then linking up with other, if you like, dispo agents, if you will, or like the dispo arms of several different companies, including my own. It's a shameless plug. You could definitely JV a deal with me even, so we do have a link down below where you can actually submit your deal if you want to work personally with me. So I just, in general, I think that whether it's me or somebody else, you're starting to see more of these quote unquote gurus actually putting it out there. They're like, hey, let's work together, let's do deals, Seeing, I've been like really heavy on JV for like the last 6 weeks. since these last 6 weeks or whatever, I've seen Jerry Norton send out emails or post on his Instagram about people partnering up with him. I've seen Zach Yin do the same thing. Trust me, there's other wholesalers as well. I'm seeing them all in all types of groups and things of that nature. People are trying to JV and get more deals done right now. If you're really, really good at getting properties under contract, you're an asset. If you're really, really good at talking to buyers and selling properties, you're an asset. If you really want to get to these deals as quickly as possible, figure out which end of the deal you want to be on and go out there and find the other people that do the other side of the business. And I promise you, very, 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 very often, those are the fastest ways to your first or next deal. I've seen so many people go out there and literally change their lives just off of networking, just off of actually communicating with other wholesalers, with other people in the space, actually just going out to networking events, actually live in person networking events. Because I know it's a lot of virtual stuff on going on right now. A lot of people kind of shut down those in-person events and things of that nature, but you're going to want to go to in-person events. You're going to want to make yourself stand out. Maybe get like a We Buy Houses hoodie. You can see those right below this video. But get yourself like a We Buy Houses hoodie or a t-shirt or something with your business logo on it and maybe your phone number on the back. Make sure that you bring some business cards. I personally got my business cards from a company called Dot Cards, and all you got to do is just hold your business card up to their phone and it automatically pops up like all of your social media, your phone numbers and things of that nature, whatever it is that you want them to see there. But you want to stand out, you want to shake hands, you want to network with other wholesalers in person and online realistically. Like, so when it comes to like, you'll do in-person events and then you'll network with people inside of like Facebook groups, Instagram, places like that or whatever. Like, actually put yourself out there, y'all. It's the fastest way to get to a deal. You have to know people. Don't just assume that as soon as you get into this space that you're going to be knocking stuff out the park, home run style or whatever, trying to do everything yourself. I did the math one day. I want to say that it was like 36 different individual things that need to happen for a wholesale deal to go through. Do you really want to be the person that has to do all 36 things to get these deals done? I think not. If anything, if you've got partners and people that you know that are kind of good at the same thing as you, then maybe you all partner up to become a dispo team or an acquisition team, and both of y'all just do acquisitions or both of y'all just do dispositions, and then y'all shoot it off to another team, another company, somebody else in the nation that can help you actually dispose of the deal or acquire more deals, whatever it is, whichever end of the spectrum you want to work on. But just make sure that you're giving yourself the opportunity to be around other people. A lot of times we don't know what we don't know. So if you're like ignorant to what you could be doing, even just networking with other people just gets you around other brains, and y'all put yourselves in a room together or on a phone call together, and now all of a sudden these really, really good fluid thoughts are coming out of you. You've got to put yourself around other people. Do not try to be the lone wolf in this wholesaling space. I've rarely seen lone wolves actually win. They almost exclusively only fail, always burn out, and just give up. The people that win at anything great in life are the people that build a team around them. And if you're not willing to actually build up that team, you might as well just get out the game right now. If you want to just do this stuff on your own in 1 to 2 hours a day or something like that or whatever, is probably not going to hit the way that you want it to. You've got to be networking, linking up with other people that have time as well. It's going to give you the best chance of actually closing some deals. Don't think that it's just going to happen overnight. It's a lot of work involved. Anyway, though, guys, let me know, what do y'all think about this concept? Like, what do y'all think about the fastest way to get a deal? Would you agree that is JV deals, or would you think that it's like driving for dollars, cold calling, texting, billboards, PPC? What's your comment? Please let me know down below. Let me know what you think is the fastest way to get to a deal. Also, guys, let me know if this video is a W or an L. Hit that like button for me. And like I said, drop a comment down below. Let's have a conversation. And lastly, like I mentioned, man, if y'all want to get out here and actually network with your boy, if you want to break bread together and actually start doing these JV deals, remember, this is the fastest way to get a deal, in my opinion, at least. go ahead and submit your deal down below with the link. It's bit.ly/JV with us. We will be actually getting like our official website coming out soon, and we're going to launch, and it's going to go hard, guys. So definitely be on the lookout for that. We've got a lot more stuff coming up in terms of actually doing more JV deals. So anyway, though, man, I hope that y'all staying healthy and staying blessed as always. And until next time, we are out.